Hello everyone, and in this video we're gonna talk about how to get the network image or the image in the Flutter app from the URL. So first of all, we have to use a column widget to use the text widget as well as the image widget. So let me just write the column widget here.
Column widget. Alright. Let's put it here. Trend. Now we have to type this text widget into this.
Column widget. Alright. Okay, now we need to use the image widget. Okay, but in image widget you need to use the network. Right, now in the network you have to put the URL here. Okay, let me just copy this URL.
And paste it here.
Alright, it's a pretty big URL, but we are here just to learn about it. So let me just run this code again.
And it will load fine. We just have to wait for it to load.
This is how you can import the image from the internet, or you can import the image from the URL. But we can also use the other properties of the image to change the size of the picture and all that stuff, but we are not going into these things right now. For now we only wanted to learn about how to use the network image or how to use the image from the URLs, and we have learned it. So this is all for this video, and if you really find it useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.